You are filming. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here once again with Miss Jess. Just finished work. You know what? Jess bought some snacks, right, Jess? She got some snacks, some pokey, I think, some raw fish action. You know what? We're gonna relax near a waterfall. I know that's a rarity, guys. You know why? Because me and mosquitoes don't get along. That's why I don't really go to waterfalls too much. But you know what? If you guys request it, I'll do it. Right, Jess? We'll do it. We know where the good waterfalls are. Don't worry about it. It's just me and mosquitoes. Ah! You know, I don't like them. You know what? Let's go to a popular one right now.
Tropic.
What? Tropic? Are you talking about food?
Yeah, look at that.
Where? What tropic?
Where's that?
Tropic?
Tropical.
Oh. Check out the motorcycle, guys. Check out this guy. How's this killer?
No helmet, nothing.
Big tongue.
He's got a friend right there.
Yeah, his friend is in the back.
I know.
Yeah. So yeah, past McDonald's right there. So we're gonna go through the coconut marketplace once again, guys. Like, hello, we had music in the background. It's not good.
Why you never turn off? Dog.
What am I flying there? That'll be scary.
Why? They go bang, 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 bang.
Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Bang, bang. Did you see a sign there that's... Alright, guys. So we're just relaxing over here up in the Wailua area. Just enjoying the nice sun and the nice waterfall, guys. What? Wow, look at the birds. Woo, look at that. Wow, birdies. Woo. So yeah, I was thinking of flying my drone, which I'll probably do. I'm just kind of hesitant because there's a whole bunch of birds around here flying everywhere. Alright, so I got some snacks over here that Jess got. What's that? Oh yeah? Time lapse you?
I can see it.
What, time lapse from there? Going there?
Yeah, just light up right there.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. Let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little time lapse for you guys. See how it goes, but you know what? The sun looks beautiful. Let's see if I can mount my camera here on the top. Let's see. Alright guys, this might be a good spot right here, so here's a time lapse, guys.
Turn the lights down low, sipping on my whiskey while that tree burns slow. Plotting how we gon' get this money on the road. My guess is that you had plans of your own, plans of your own. Cause you calling my phone. Last time we spoke you were saying so long. Now you're hitting me up like what's going on. You must have forgot how you did me wrong. One of us wrong.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys liked that flight that I just did. I got a little scared because I went over the mountain and I lowered the drone and then I totally lost sight of it. And I was afraid that I would lose connection, because if you lose connection it'll automatically go back to where you know where you lift off of. And if it turned around and didn't go up in altitude, then it would hit the mountain. So that's what I was scared. But luckily I didn't lose connection and everything was fine, and I think I got some good purples and pinks and all that. So I hope you guys liked it, and right now we're gonna go clean the office, right Jess?
Yep.
Alright guys, see you in the next one, or maybe tonight. We'll see the kiddos. I don't know, we'll see. Okay.